sweethearts, welcome to tutorial for Money by Levan. Let's get started. Now, it's a super fast up-tempo beat, and it goes really quick. So we're going to start with just a simple 8 count, nice and slow, and then we'll speed it up. So we start with just a little tap. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. That's the intro. Arms are wherever you like them, nice and free. Then the verse starts. We're going to first start to the right. We're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, hold 7 and 8 and. So it's a triple great and a little side step, or double, 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 single. We go back left. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, hold 7 and 8 and. Now the arms are free on this. You can do whatever you like for the beginning, but we're just going to worry about the feet. We start to the right, a little bit more up the tempo. We go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and hold 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 4 times. Let's see that face in the front. Intro is just a nice step here. Side to side, getting ready for the verse to start. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and hold, pop, pop, pop. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, hold 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and hold 7 and 8. Great, so we just came back 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Time for the chorus. Right foot steps forward, little Charleston step. We go right, left, right, left, right, left. And we have 4 knees up, left, right, left, right. Let's start with the left foot. Left, right, left, right, left, right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Arms are just across the body, right here, and then they're just here free as we worry about the knees first. So start with that right foot. We go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and. Great. Then we tap right, left. We go right, left. And we're going to keep the right foot out to the side. Arms are going diagonal to the opposite side. Pa, pa. Then we switch. Left, right, right, left. Ta, ta. So it goes. Right, left, hit and hit. Left, right, hit and hit. And we're going to get those up. So it goes 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And we're really throwing the arms up and we're snapping that leg to the side. Let's see the chorus facing the front. Start with that Charleston, right foot. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 knees, 7 and 8 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Tap right, tap left, kick 2. Left and right, kick 2. Again, right, left, kick the right. Left, right, kick the left. Tap, tap. Fantastic. We're going to put both the verse and the chorus together, starting with that little double step to the right into the chorus. We go to the right first. We go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and hold 7 and 8 and left and right and left. Hold. Again, 2 more times. To the right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pop, pop, hold, tap, tap. Left 2, right 2, left, hold, Charleston chorus. Right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 knees. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Charleston, 4 knees. Double tap. We go right, kick it right. Tap, tap, tap. Left, right, kick it left. Tap, tap. Right, left, kick it right. And left, right, kick it left. Tap, tap, tap. All right, there's one more thing to learn, and that's a little breakdown. So right in the middle of the song, there's a breakdown with the music, and we have a little side tap step. Just like the opening, we're going to just kind of groove it here, and then we're going to take it nice and low. Keep tapping 5, 6, 7, 8. Then instead of the switch, instead of the taps, we're going to do little heel lifts. So we go lift, 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 lift. You're going to work out the leg. Get nice and low. Tap, tap, tap. Reach towards the mirror. Reach towards the mirror. Reach towards the mirror. Pop, pop, pop. And then we're going to do a little rope climb up, mime climb up. So we grab, 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 heel, toe, bring the feet in, and get ready for the chorus one more time. Let's see that facing the front right into our last chorus. We go. Dun, dun. Take it low, hold. Now those heel lifts. Heel, tap, 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 tap. Rope it up, tap, tap, tap. Chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knees. Tap, 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 tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knees. Right, left, we tap, tap, and kick. Left, right, and kick. Tap, tap. 1, 2, tap, left. One more time with the chorus goes right. Tap, tap. Get those knees up. La, 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 left. Tap, 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 tap. Give me the money. Tap, 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 tap. And sharp, left. And sharp. One more. Tap, tap, and left, right, and kick. And that's it. High cardio. Get ready for it. Let's dance it.